किसी भी फील्डर ने कोई कैच ड्रॉप नहीं किया और बड़े उम्दा कैच इंडियन फील्डर्स ने और पाकिस्तानी टीम ने लिए।
तेंदुलकर आए हैं नए बैट्समैन। जोरदार हिट, ऊंची और महफूज चौका। नौजवान मुश्ताक बॉलर ने नौजवान तेंदुलकर बैट्समैन को बॉल की और तेंदुलकर ने कदमों का सही इस्तेमाल किया, बॉल को हाफ वॉली बनाया और एक्स्ट्रा कवर पोजीशन जहां अब्दुल कादिर फील्ड कर रहे हैं उनके सर के ऊपर से बड़े इत्मीनान के साथ चौका लगाया। सूरज छुप जाता है और जोरदार हिट, तेंदुलकर की छक्का। नुमाइशी मैच के माहौल में खेला जा रहा है, काफी महसूस हो रही है यहाँ पे पब्लिक, यहाँ के तमाशाई। निहायत शानदार, पहले चौका लगाया तेंदुलकर ने और फिर छक्का। एक और जोरदार हिट और एक और छक्का। सोलह रन 3 बॉलों पर तेंदुलकर ने। भारत के ये देखिए सरफराज, इस खिलाड़ी के बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा गया, बहुत कुछ लिखा गया और लोगों ने कहा कि ये गावस्कर जूनियर हैं, गावस्कर के जानशीन हैं, तो इन्होंने खासा तफरीह का सामान मुहैया किया। भारत का स्कोर 108। बैट से सिर्फ 1 रन बनाने में कामयाबी हुई श्रीकांत को इस ओवर में। और अब तेंदुलकर आए हैं और तमाशाइयों की तवक्को कि वो कादिर को भी एक जोरदार हिट लगाएंगे। देखिए उन्हें कामयाबी होती है या नहीं। सिर्फ 1 रन बनाने में कामयाब हुए।
Abdul Qadir going to bowl to Sachin Tendulkar. That's up in the air, dropping. This one's hit away to long on, and that's a 6.
This is Tendulkar's third 6, I think, isn't it?
It's Tendulkar's third 6. Quite right, Shuja. Let's have a look at this sixer again. Using his feet, going out, over long on, and 6 runs.
This sort of volley or half volley. Again, look at it.
That's another one, is it? Yes, it is. Another 6.
So it was not against Mushtaq alone. Well, here is the juggler, the Pakistan's wizard bowler, and he has hit him exactly the same way he has hit sixers against Mushtaq. Well, these 2 sixers, they're exactly the same as you can see.
Is that another one?
He's a third.
Yes, it is. And Shrikant is absolutely delighted. He would have liked to hit them himself.
Shrikant is supposed to be a very fast batsman, but the way this young batsman is batting, Tendulkar, he's surprised almost everyone. There's a 6th sixer.
It's 19 runs in 4 deliveries, and the required run rate was 21.5. So they've got 19 of them already. It's Abdul Qadir now to Tendulkar. And that one's going towards long on, and that's 4 more.
It's sixers the way this boy, youngster, is it's sixers.
And there it is again, it's up in the air, it could be caught. It's dropped. 2 more runs. Wasim Akram drops that catch and they're going for a third. And there should be... Oh, no, he's not. He's just home. Good effort by Salim Yusuf. So there's excitement in the end. In for a very exciting finish. There it is again.
Yes.
Up in the air. That's the dropped catch by Wasim
It
Akram.
was not a difficult catch. I mean, Wasim Akram was right under the ball, but then I think at the 11th hour, probably his foot slipped.
15 runs required. And are there going to be 4 of them now?
Yes.
Yes, there are. 50 has come in very quick time for Tendulkar. In fact, he's got
6 sixers and I think 2 fours.
5 sixes.
5 sixes.
Full
yes.
toss, and that one's pulled away towards deep mid-on. They get 1. And they're going through for an overthrow. And he's home. The wicket has to be pulled out because the bails were off.
Yes.
Wasim Akram did exactly that. It was just a bit late. And the one-day international was called off and replaced by the exhibition match. And the crowd thoroughly enjoyed it. There's the replay of that attempted run out. The ball had hit the bails, are off, and they're going through for another run. Wasim Akram picks the ball up, comes charging in, and he pulls the stump out, but Shrikant is home.
By that time, Shrikant was definitely...
By Tendulkar, Akram to Tendulkar. And they get a single. Pakistan have won by 4 runs. And a nice gesture there by Wasim Akram, shake of the hand for Tendulkar. And the players now scampering